I just wanted to show you quickly how to complete this on a Google side. All you'll need to do is just come over and just click on each of these. So for instance, this is the frog's eggs or spawn. So that would be the first part of the frog life cycle. So you just have to click and drag, and then you just overlap it right on top of the number one. It's not going to fit perfectly, but that's okay. And then put them in order. So then just click and drag, and you should be able to just drag those right on top of each of those numbers. Now, if you have an iPad or something that makes it hard to drag and drop, I'm also going to put a paper copy PDF as well, and so you can print that off and just copy and glue it. If you would rather just have your student do that, they can just cut and paste like we would in school, and then you can just take a picture and just send that to me instead. That is not a problem. Thanks.